Earlier, you were saying that you felt victimized. Could you explain why so?
Well, politically, since the start of the year, I think this is the third attempt. So I would have to say I've been victimized since some start, but it's the third attempt. And some projects that I've been doing, I do an entertainment thing with the color splash, right? And we have some issues with the last one, which was resolved. And I think going forward, it's just me making my political decision affecting some of my projects and jobs that I've been doing. So my political aspirations of moving from the PNP and joining Jamaica Labour Party earlier this year with the potential of becoming a candidate is affecting some of what I see taking place here in Manchester.